Okay, I'll continue my chapter, children. I have already told you that the writer has reached Kanha National Park and he is very excited and he has seen beautiful sceneries. And the first animal that he has seen was the Sambha deer. Now, everybody knows that in forest you would see bears, pythons, cobras, but they pretended that they don't have any knowledge about it. It seemed as if they were fooling themselves. With a determined, resolved, and calm mind, we started the trek. We pretended that the knowledge of bears, pythons, and cobra being present in the forest did not matter to us at all. But were we not fooling ourselves? They knew that they can see the bears, pythons, and cobras in the forest, but still they pretended about it that they don't know anything. Yes, we were scared, but at the same time, we were excited and keen to go ahead. On the way, we saw the footprints of elephants, bears, and tigers. We saw a watchtower in the forest and had a beautiful view of forest from atop the tower. Though they were scared, but yet they were excited also and eager also to go ahead. So they moved ahead. And on the way, they saw the footprints of elephants, bears, and tiger. Then there was a watchtower from where they can see the beautiful view of the forest when they climb the tower. Tired and enthusiastic, we came to the end of the trek. It was now time for our journey back, but not before we had decided to immerse our legs in the cool waters of the lake. It was so beautiful to see swarms of small little fish in the waters under our feet. They have got exhausted, but still they were eager to move ahead. Their journey had come to an end, but before that they decided to dip their legs in the cool water of the lake, and they could feel the group of small fishes under their feet, and all the scene looked very beautiful to them. They were very excited and enjoying. Now they also saw the tigers. The sight of the family of tiger, which we spotted just before the end of our journey, left us amazed. The father, the mother, and the two baby tigers. All together, it appeared as if they had just come out to meet all of us who had come looking for them all the way from Delhi. Now, when their trek was going to end, they met a family of tigers, and in that there were the father, the mother, and the baby tigers, two baby tigers. It seemed as if they had come to meet them all the way. So, to see the tigers, they were quite surprised and astonished. With the beautiful sight, my boat journey of Kanha National Park came to an end. It was and will remain an unforgettable experience of my life. So, their journey to Kanha National Park on boat became a memorable one. Such type of incident they will always remember the visit to Kanha National Park. It was indeed a beautiful and a memorable journey. The writer, along with his sister, enjoyed a lot. Thank you.